Double displacement reactions that produce a gas. If you have these, the solubility chart is unimportant. So we're not going to use it for such equations. So gases produced include hydrogen. So we'll produce hydrogen gas. Hydrogen sulfide, which is a poisonous gas that smells like rotten eggs. Sulfur dioxide, which is a reactant in forming acid rain. Carbon dioxide, we know what carbon dioxide is. And ammonia. So these are 5 different types of gases that we can produce in double displacement reactions. Now, when we produce these, a lot of times there's an additional component, right? Remember we said in double displacement reactions, 2 reactants form 2 products. But sometimes we'll see 2 reactants and 3 products. The reason for the 3 products is the double displacement reaction has taken place, but sometimes one of the products further breaks down. It's unstable in the way it is and will continue to decompose further. And we'll see that. And these are some of the equations that you're going to, or types of reactions you're going to need to memorize. Double displacement reactions that produces sulfur dioxide gas. These types of double displacement reactions involve an additional decomposition reaction. So we've got sulfurous acid decomposes into sulfur dioxide and water. So H2SO3, when you see it in the product of your double displacement reaction, you will see that it will continue, it will further break down. So if you see it as one of the products, make sure you know to further that step. So we've got Na2, okay, so sodium sulfite, right, SO3 sulfite, plus 2 hydrochloric acid. So we've got metal, non-metal, metal, non-metal. So the metal is going to combine with the non-metal, and we have NaCl. NaCl and aqueous plus hydrogen with the sulfite to form H2SO3, right? Your sulfurous acid. But because we've got that, right? Because we've got that, that further breaks down. Right? H2SO3 further decomposes into sulfur dioxide and water. So sulfur dioxide, right, is our gas, right? Water or liquid. But now instead of writing, right? So here is our double displacement reaction. But what happens is we don't end up writing that, right? We decide to write this in its place. So we are going to form NaCl plus SO2, which is in a gas form, plus H2O, which is in a liquid form. So notice, as I said before, 2 reactants, right, normally form 2 products in double displacement reaction. But when you see this 1, 2, 3 products, you know there was a further decomposition reaction that must have occurred. So make sure that you can identify this sulfurous acid. So you might want to highlight that in your notes. That look for the sulfurous acid in my products, because I know that in a double displacement reaction, so this is one of the little tricks, the little tips that you need to make sure you can remember.